Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about PWM, or Pulse Width Modulation, using the Arduino Uno. PWM is a technique that allows us to simulate analog output using digital pins. Since Arduino Uno digital pins can only be ON or OFF, PWM rapidly switches the signal between these two states to create an average voltage level. This makes devices like LEDs appear dimmer or brighter and allows motors to run at different speeds. A key concept in PWM is the duty cycle. The duty cycle represents the percentage of time the signal stays ON during one complete cycle. For example, a 50% duty cycle means the signal is ON for half the time and OFF for the other half, resulting in approximately half the output power. The Arduino Uno provides 6 PWM-capable pins: 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 11. These pins are marked with a tilde symbol on the board. In Arduino, PWM signals can be generated easily using the analogWrite function. We will connect and LED to a PWM pin and gradually vary its brightness using the analogWrite function. We are using pin number 11 of the Arduino Uno board. In the analogWrite function, we have to pass two parameters: pin number and a value according to required duty cycle. The value can vary from 0 to 255. Now we will change the value to 200, the LED will appear slightly brighter. If the value is changed to 10, the brightness is decreased significantly. The same concept can also be applied to control speed of a DC motor or position of a servo motor.